cup of cooked bacon, a half a cup of cooked breakfast sausage, and a half a cup of ham diced up. Then I also have a half a cup of red bell pepper diced, 2 scrambled eggs cooked with a little salt and pepper, and I also saved the sausage drippings for our gravy. Now, speaking of sausage gravy, we are going to heat up 1 tablespoon of the sausage drippings with 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. And then I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of flour. We want this to be a bit of a thicker gravy, so a little more flour is what we need. And then I'm just going to whisk that together and let it cook for about a minute, whisking constantly until it gets a nice golden color. Then I'm adding in 1 1/4 cups of milk. And just whisk that around and get it all incorporated. And then 1 teaspoon of sage, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and some salt and pepper to taste. And then we're just going to whisk that around and cook it down until it gets nice and thick. Now you can see here, this is the consistency we're looking for. It'll get even thicker as it cools, and you want it to coat a spoon. I have 1 large pizza dough. This is actually my recipe. If you're interested in knowing what it is, I will definitely do a video on it in the future. Just let me know in the comments. The pizza at Trattoria Al Forno is more of a personal pizza size, but I decided to just make a large one for my family. So what you want to do is just work the dough and stretch it out onto a pan, dusted in a little flour. Now, if the dough is springing back like it is on me here, you want to let it rest for 5 minutes. Don't be impatient like me. Let it rest, come back, and it should stop stretching back on you. Then I'm just ladling the sausage gravy on top, and you just want to leave a 1-inch border for the crust. And then I'm adding 2 cups of mozzarella, as my husband would say. He always teases me for saying mozzarella. And then we're just going to continue building the pizza with the rest of our toppings. I like to start with the meats first, and then the eggs, and then finally the bell peppers. I have my oven preheated to 500 degrees, and we are going to cook this for about 10 to 12 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown and bubbly. And there she is in all her glory. I top it with a little fresh basil like they do at the restaurant, and we are good to go. I can't express enough how amazing this pizza is. I really hope you all enjoy it and give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see more fun Disney recipes in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!